Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and once again I've been out raiding the rack and I came home with 2 different types of plants but 4 different pots. 4. So the first one I want to show you is this one. This was falling out of its pot all over the place. There's even a piece here that's fallen completely out of the pot. This is the well-known and loved Zamioculcas Zamiifolia, and it is absolutely beautiful. This little miniature one here, that stem just needs putting back in the pot properly. And if you look in the pot, it's just falling out all over the place here. You can see the roots and you can even see the bulb here, where this plant stores all its moisture under the soil usually. Isn't it absolutely wonderful? That is the normal green Zamioculcas Zamiifolia. I have the Zamioculcas Zamiifolia Raven as well, a big plant of that, and I absolutely love it. But they obviously didn't want to bother with this plant in the shop because it's falling out of the pot. But the plant itself is absolutely viable, very strong, nothing wrong with it whatsoever. But I was like, well, you know what? That little plant, I want that. I need a plant for my bathroom. My bathroom has no windows, but we have bright light in there and quite often our light is on during the day. So this will do absolutely fine on top of the cabinet in the bathroom. At last I'll have a bathroom plant. This will do very well there. They reduced the price on this plant from 69 kronor 95 to 20 Swedish krona. Yes, you heard me right. I got an absolutely beautiful Zamioculcas Zamiifolia for 20 kroner for all this, and there's nothing wrong with that. I just need to repot it so it's more secure and sturdy, and then this is going to take off and look wonderful. It already does. There's nothing wrong with it. Literally, they reduced the price and put it on the sales cart because it's falling out of the pot and they couldn't be bothered. That's all. So go out there, people. You can find bargains, 20 kronor for a beautiful plant like this. So the next little bundle of joy I have here are these 3 beautiful tiny pots here. Now look at these wonderful plants. They are kind of a neon green colour with pink veining all over. And they are called Syngonium podophyllum Cream Allusion. And they have this beautiful pink veining in all of the leaves. Look at that. They're just beautiful. So I got 3 because they're only small pots and I want to put them all in one pot and make a nice bushy little plant. I think that's going to be absolutely wonderful. And another reason why I bought these wonderful, beautiful little plants is each of these pots was for sale for 29 kronor 95. And I got them for 5 kronor a pot, people. Yes, you heard me right. Raiding that rack again, I got me a great bargain. Plants that were 29.95 a pot, I got for 5 kronor a pot. So for this beautiful bundle here that I can put together in a lovely pot and make a bushy plant, I paid 15 Swedish kronor. 15 Swedish kronor for these beautiful plants here. I'm so happy. So, as you can hear, once again, I was out raiding the rack and I got me wonderful, wonderful bargains. A beautiful Zamioculcas Zamiifolia and these beautiful Syngonium podophyllums Cream Allusion. I'm very happy. So, anyway, go out there and find yourself some bargains and have a field day like me. Get your energy up. Feel good. Love your plants. Let the energy flow through you. Anyway, thank you very much once again for watching Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video will be uploaded. And I will see you again very, very soon. Goodbye.